Hello, my name is Jay and I'm the Clinical Services Manager here at Intus Healthcare. In this video, I will explain the best way to clean your CPAP mask. Regular cleaning is important to ensure your therapy remains effective. It can also help prolong the lifespan of your equipment. Before cleaning, carefully disassemble your CPAP mask into its individual parts. This typically includes the cushion, headgear, and frame. Refer to your mask's user manual for guidance if needed. Fill a basin with warm water and add a small amount of mild unscented soap. Gently wash each mask component with your hands to remove oil, dirt, and residue. Do not use a sponge or cloth as the material can scratch and damage your equipment. Rinse each mask part thoroughly with clean running water. Remove all soap residue to prevent skin irritation during future use. Leave the mask components to dry naturally. Do not use heat from a hairdryer to dry your mask, as this can damage your equipment. Cleaning your mask every day after use will help keep your equipment sanitary. Mask wipes are a quick and hygienic option for regular and frequent cleaning. At Intus, we have a selection of cleaning supplies to help you with your CPAP maintenance. To learn more about these, visit intushealthcare.com. For any advice or guidance, call us on 0800 024 8050 or email us on contact@intushealthcare.com.